tired of the same old turkey sandwiches after Thanksgiving, then you're gonna want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making an avocado sun-dried tomato turkey panini. Yes, that was a mouthful. If you're tired of having the same old turkey sandwiches, those leftovers after Thanksgiving, this one is one you're gonna wanna try. It really just kicks up that turkey a notch. My son had been asking for avocado turkey sandwiches, so we bought some fresh turkey at Costco, and I made them the other day, and you know, I was just experimenting with them, and oh my gosh, this one turned out so good. So I thought I would go ahead and make another one for lunch today and share it with you, because like I said, it is the perfect sandwich for all that leftover turkey from the holidays, from Christmas or Thanksgiving, or whenever you have turkey, or you can just buy the turkey lunch meat, it'll work. But anyway friends, let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get the sandwich put together. All right, my friends, so this is what I am putting on my sandwich. This is the mayo that I use. I like Duke's, but you can use any kind that you want. I have artisan rolls here. I get these at Costco, and OMG, are they delicious. But you can find artisan rolls in the grocery store. I have oven roasted turkey breast from Costco. It's the Kirkland brand, and this is just like carving it off the turkey, friends. It is absolutely delicious. Have a little bit of olive oil. I have my little olive oil dish there. I have some red onion. I have sun-dried tomatoes. I will link this video in the description box. I made these in my dehydrator, and they are absolutely delicious. So you can buy regular sun-dried tomatoes, but they really make a huge difference on this sandwich. And then I have an avocado. You can add lettuce if you want to. You can just use regular tomato if you want, but the sun-dried tomatoes really kick it up a notch. So let me go ahead and get started. So friends, that's what we're going to be using to make this sandwich today. Like I said, you can add lettuce to it or anything that you want, but these sun-dried tomatoes and avocado together, the artisan bread, if you can't find artisan bread, use the thicker bread. If you don't have a panini press, you can obviously make this more like using just like a white hearty bread and make more like a grilled cheese kind of, you know, in the frying pan. You can add cheese to this if you want. I just really like the taste of those sun-dried tomatoes and what it brings, that I don't want a whole lot of other things on there to, you know, mess with that taste. But cheese is perfect as well, and some lettuce. So let's go ahead and put my sandwich together because I'm hungry. All right, my friends, so here is what the bread looks like. They do have it already sliced for this one that I buy, so I'm gonna open it up. And I have my panini press on, waiting for it to get hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and I poured some olive oil in my little olive oil dish, using my little handy dandy brush, and I'm just going to brush on a little bit of olive oil on both sides of the bread. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo. I do put it on both sides. Just like that. Can you guys hear Chase walking around? He knows I have turkey, and he is really trying hard. Don't worry, he'll get some. Don't worry. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put down a few of my red onions. Y'all know I like onion if you follow me. And you can have, like my sun-dried tomatoes have a lot of seasonings on it. And like I said, I'll link this below. You can add a little bit of garlic on here if you want, but this has more than enough on it already. You can add as much or as little as you want. And then I sliced my, I was going to say green pepper, my avocado. I'm using half of an avocado. I'm just laying that right on there, just like that. And what I find, friends, if you put it on the bottom when you close the panini press, it doesn't slide as bad. And then I'm going to show you this turkey breast. Look at this. This is like right off. Look at that. Oh, this turkey is absolutely my favorite. We make turkey clubs out of this all the time. So, yeah. Oh, guess what I forgot? Bacon. I have 2 pieces of bacon that I cooked earlier. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I forgot that. Let me grab that real quick. Here we go. I forgot all about it when I made the sandwich the other day. I cooked some extra so I would have it for lunch. So I just have 2 slices of bacon. I am putting them right on here. Like that. Just like that, my friends. And now we're going to go ahead, as soon as my panini press is heated up, we're going to go ahead and throw it on there. All right, my friends, we are all heated up. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on there. This way. We're just going to go ahead and put it right on the panini press. Skid it to the back just a tiny bit because when we put it down, it'll slide a little bit. As you can see, you gotta be very careful. And I'm just gonna let it sit like that for a few and then press down on it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna flip it around. And we're just gonna let that cook for a minute or so. And then I'm gonna rotate it. All right, my friends, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see how it's flatter there than there? So I always like to rotate it a little. And then we'll just let it cook on this side for a little bit. Just want to make sure if you have cheese on it, it's all melted. I like to make sure it just gets a little crispy on top. So I'm going to let this sit for about 2 or 3 more minutes. All right, my friends, I think we are done. There we go. Let it cool for a few seconds and then we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends, here it is. Look at that. Does that not look delicious or what? Now, obviously I know what this tastes like because I just had one the other day, but And you hear the bread crunch? 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. All right, my friends. I had to move the camera a little bit because I noticed there were some shadows. So I want to make sure you saw this. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? Anyway, friends, that'll do it for today. I hope this gave you a great idea to use up some of that leftover turkey from the holiday season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.